Alright, this is the Tram model 60, Diamond 60. It's got the side bands on it and the AM. It's got the volume and the RF gain control, SWR, mic gain, clarifying control, and squelch. Up at the top is the SWR and calibration. Then you got the switch for the PA and the CB, either one. Then you got the noise blank on and off switch, and there's the meter, and it is a 23 band. And when I get it hooked up and running, I'll do another video of it, but I just wanted to show you the Tram Diamond 60 sideband with the sideband. Okay, looks pretty nice. I can't wait to hook it up and try it out. I heard they're pretty good radios. We'll have to see. Alright, bye.